Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to unsend an email in Gmail after an hour. So let's get into it. On your Android phone or tablet, open the Gmail app. At the bottom right, tap Compose. In the To field, add recipients. Add a subject, then write your message. At the top of the page, tap Send. Right after you send the message, you'll see the message sent and the option to undo. Tap Undo. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.